brake pads on this Honda Jazz. The car has failed MOT. So to start off with, we're going to take the wheel off. We're going to slide the wheel under. There we go. Right, there are two bolts to undo. One is here and the other one is down here. This one here, two of them. So we're just going to undo them. They are 12mm bolts. Just going to do the bottom one now. Okay, and then the top one comes off. Two 12mm bolts. Right, we're going to slide the caliper out with a screwdriver. There we go, that's the caliper out. So we're going to remove the pads and clearly see why it's failed MOT. They are down to the metal. So just going to remove the inner one now. There we go, this is the inner one. Right, we're going to use a winding tool to push the piston back. Right, whenever I push the piston back, I always undo the brake reservoir cap here to release the pressure. There we go. Right, now we're gonna pull the pins out, the guide pins. They are a bit seized. We're gonna pull them out and apply some grease on them. That's good enough. So that's the top pin in place. You can see now it's moving freely in and out. Okay, just gonna do the bottom one. Okay, just gonna push it in. There we go. Just gonna apply a little bit grease on the legs. There we go. That's good enough. Just gonna apply a little bit at the back. So now we're gonna do the inner pad. That's good enough. Just gonna apply a little bit on this side. So just gonna slide that in. This is the inner one. There we go. That's the inner pad in place. Just gonna apply a little bit grease on the back. The pad goes in here like this. There we go. Just a little bit grease on the outer side of it. Stops it from squeaking. The caliper slides in like that. Right, just gonna put the two 12mm bolts to secure the caliper. Now the bottom one. Just gonna tighten them now. That's good enough. So now we're gonna do the top one. There we go, that's good enough. Right. Now that we have fitted the new pads, just gonna put the wheel back on. Thank you very much for watching the video.